Hello friends, welcome to my channel Effortless English for Kids. Today we'll be discussing parts of house. First is drawing room. Drawing room is specially for guests, where we can have formal conversation with guests. You can see the image. The next we have living room. Living room is for family. We can have family conversations in the living room. We have comfortable chairs in the living room. We can do rest here if you want to. The next we have is dining room. Dining room is specially made for eating. We can have lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever we want to eat, we can eat in the dining room. The next we have is study room. Study room is the area where we can study or adults can do their office work. Next we have kitchen. Kitchen is the area of home where we cook food and do the dishes and baking, etc. Next we have is laundry room. Laundry room is for washing clothes. We can have washing machine and dryer and washing area for the clothes. Next we have bathroom. Bathroom is an area of house where we take bath and do toilet and other stuff. Some homes may have different toilet, but mostly we have combined toilet bathroom. Then we have next is bedroom. Master bedroom is used by parents. Parents can do rest or sleep in the bedroom. Next we have is kids bedroom. Kids bedroom is meant for kids for their sleep, and they can do other works in their room like studying or playing, whatever they want to do. The next is kids playroom. Kids playroom is optional. It is in some of the homes where kids can play with their toys separately in another room. Next we have is balcony. Balcony is actually outside the house, but it is attached to the house near window. When you have multi-story building, there we have balcony. The next we have is terrace. Terrace is the part of house on the roof. Especially we can see in apartments or individual houses where we can sit in the evening and morning to have a cup of coffee and talks. Next we have is garden. Garden is the greener portion of house where we can plant trees and enjoy greenery inside the house. Then next we have is guest bedroom. Guest bedroom is specially meant for guests. When someone arrives to your home for like 2-3 day visits, then they can stay in guest bedroom. They have less things in the guest bedroom. Next is garage. In garage we park our car, bikes and cycle. Next we have is patio, veranda or porch. Here it is on every story actually. We can sit here in the evening and daytime. Attic room or loft. Attic room is the room on the top of the house where we have triangular roofs, and it is also called as loft. It is in some of the houses where they have triangular roofs. Storeroom. Storeroom is an area where we store extra stuff of our house which we don't need right now, but we can need it later. You can see we have stored things like stationaries. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. Signing off for today. Bye bye.